In your life, you have taken numerous decisions, like to select a subject between maths and biology, to go play football with friends or not, and of course, to continue and finish this Java course. Smile. All of these decisions are based on numerous criteria, which lead to a big yes or no. Have you ever wondered, how does a computer take decisions? Say, based on the value stored in a variable, you want the computer to do task 1 or task 2. How would you do that with Java? Or is it really possible with Java? Let's check it out. Of course. It is possible with Java. If you couldn't make the computer to take decisions, it wouldn't be a very useful programming language. Smile. There is a statement, called conditional statement, which helps serve this purpose. Let's see. The conditional statement is known as if-else statement. There is a condition we supply to this statement, which has to be either true or false. Based on this condition, our program divides into 2 branches. If block, do tasks when condition is true. Else block, do tasks when condition is false. Let's divide the statement into 3 main chunks. Condition, if block, else block. And see how can we write the if-else statement. That's great, you know how the less than greater than signs work. Let's continue. Okay, let's see how can we write a condition in the if-else statement. The if keyword tells the computer that what's going to come is an if-else statement. Condition part indicates the condition that needs to be evaluated, surrounded within curved brackets. Example. Now, let's check how do we write the if block. Right after the if statement, we add the code we want to run when the condition is true, between curly brackets. The last remaining part of the if-else statement is the else block. Else block is written starting with the else keyword, soon after the if block's curly brackets have ended. So, if we look at our code as a whole, it will look like this. That's cool and easy. So, let's just quickly summarize what we have learned in this topic. For condition-based tasks, the computer uses the if-else statement. The if-else statement consists of three parts. The condition block written inside the curved brackets, which will result in either true or false value. The if block, written inside the curly brackets, having statements to perform when the condition is true. The else block, written just after the if block, starting with the else keyword in the curly brackets, having statements to perform when the condition is false.
On a daily basis, we make hundreds of decisions. Based on several conditions, we choose the best option in any situation. Ever thought about how computers can make decisions? In Java, we use if-else statements, also called as conditional statements, in order to help computers make decisions. The if-else statements consist of three blocks. 1. Condition. 2. If block. 3. Else block. Let us look at an example of how to use if-else statements. In this program, 1 is less than 2 is the condition. If the condition is satisfied, the statements written inside the if block is executed. If the condition is false, the statements written inside the else block is executed. Hence, the output of this code will be 1 is less than 2.